Hi guys, my name is Isabella and welcome back to another video, and let me show you what I've got. It says SweetStamps by Amy Cakes. Let's open it. Bubble wrap. So it has these paints and they are edible. They have red, green, blue, purple, orange, peach and white, and they have a butterfly stamp, this mold so that we can pour the paints into them, and we also have these. So all the cookies, these are stamps. We're going to paint the stamps, and then what we're going to do is stamp these onto the cookies, and just remember they are edible. So one has a seahorse and a starfish, and then the next one is a mermaid, and the next one is a deer, the last one is the fox. Okay, let's get started. So, how we open these stamps is, they use staplers to staple it in. It's the stamp! Isn't it pretty? Why does it have like this outline and this one doesn't? We'll find out later, I guess. Now, the mermaid and the seahorse. The seahorse! Oh, and same. The last one. Let's take it out. And the mermaid, oh, and another same. So this is all we have. The mermaid, the seahorse, and the deer, and then the fox. So now what I'm going to do is take the rolling pin and then roll out this sugar paste. This is a good ball. We're going to knead it like this. This is tricky. Looks like a giant mint. So now we have a ball, and now we're going to start rolling with the pin. Don't forget, we need it in the middle, otherwise if it's not in the middle, it'll just spread all around the sides. Put a little bit of corn flour to not make it stick. It's like one of those cake things where they put it on top. Now we are going to take this, put it on top, roll it. gonna peel it off now, gently. Perfect! So we're going to take the blue one, not this side, I know it looks pretty, but not this side, and make sure the mermaid is in the middle. So now I'm going to get the paint palette. This is edible paint, so don't forget. And first we're going to shake it, open it. So now we're going to paint it. Now we are going to put that at the side. Now we're going to do the deer. I'm going to mix green. The primary colors are yellow, blue and red. Green is the secondary color. Then blue. That. Oh, it's nice. It'll be green. It doesn't have to be real life colors, it can just be like whatever colors. Next I'm going to do the mermaid. It doesn't have to be neat or inside a line. This would be a perfect way to make a present for somebody. Just try not to eat the present while you make it. You can put your own stuff if you want to. It doesn't have to be the stuff that's already on there. And now this. Okay, thanks for watching guys and subscribe to my channel. Bye!